I'm going to find the solution to this quadratic equation right here. I'm going to find the solution to that equation by graphing the quadratic y equal x squared minus 2x minus 3. Where the x values are that make this thing 0, are going to be the values of that equation that make it true. So we know how to graph this. I'm going to find the axis of symmetry, x equal negative b over 2a. For this equation, it is negative 2 over 2 times 1. So the axis of symmetry is x equal to 1. And I don't need to graph that. I really don't need it. What I really need this for is the middle of my xy table. My xy table. So I'm going to put that right in the middle. And I'm going to go left and right. If I go to the left of x equal 1, I get to 0. If I go to the left of 0, I get to negative 1. If I go to the right of that, I get 2 and 3. I'm looking for the values where this thing crosses the x-axis. What I want is a 0 in the y values. So I'm trying to find zeros down here because that will tell me the x values which make this thing true. So I'm going to go ahead and find the values for this equation by graphing it. I need the values for the equation, and I'm going to do it this way. I hope. I'm going to graph this. This is how I'm going to find the values. I've got x squared minus 2x minus 3. Make sure we got the right equation. X squared minus 2x minus 3, we got the right equation. I'm going to graph that. And then I'm going to use the trace function because I'm lazy to find my values. My trace function, when x is 0, y is negative 3. So now I need some more of those values. When x is negative 1, y is 0. When x is 1, y is negative 4. When x is 2, y is negative 3. And when x is 3, y is 0. I found what I'm looking for. I found the values of x when y is 0. These are my magic numbers. So, when I graph this thing, I get negative 1, 0. I get 0, negative 3. I get 1, negative 4. I get 2, negative 3. I get 3, 0. I get this equation. So right here where it crosses the x-axis are the values of x, where x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to 3, where the values of x are 0 right here. So it's these values of x equal negative 1 and x equal 3, that make that equation true. That's my answer.